So I've been trying to do the right thing by eating clean and working out at least like 30-45 minutes every other day. It depends. I work Thursday through Saturday and Sunday through Wednesday. I should have no excuse. So with that being said, I'm gonna make some clip-ins today because my scalp gets immediately drenched when I work out. So I can't do a blowout because there's no point. My curls, I have to refresh them literally probably like every day, and my hair is colored, so that isn't really beneficial for me. So in between time, in the meantime, I need to figure out something to do with my hair where I feel comfortable with wearing and not feeling like I'm like 12 or 14 years old when I'm 35. All right, so let me show you the clips that I buy, which are game changers. I discovered these, one of my clients actually had brought it in, and I was like, normally you need time to sew the clip-ins on. Aha, not with these. So these clips, they have hooks on them, right? So all you need is your weft, and you slide the weft underneath of the hooks, and that's it. You don't need any scissors, you don't need any needles, you don't need any threads, and it just makes the whole process easier. Even trying to be creative, like, it's very instant. And like I said, it's a game changer, and I was searching all over for these. Normally I order them off of Amazon, but because of the time that I have, I wanted to get this done ASAP because I have to go to work tomorrow and I need my hair done. So pretty much, like, I bought the ones that they had. I went to about 3 or 4 different beauty supply stores here in the DMV, and not many people had them. And even when I was going into stores and asking did they know about them, they had no clue what I was talking about. So I will put the link in the description, just so you guys can start getting creative with playing with hair extensions and texture and all those things. I bought 5 of them, and these were $3.99, but you can get the bigger pack at least for like between $20 and $30, and you can get more than this. This is just what I needed because I wasn't sure what I was doing. So game changer, selfie clip-ins. I'm gonna make some clip-ins that my friend Amika gave to me called Nikki Baby Hair, and I can't wait for y'all to see this color because it's so bomb. So stay tuned and I'll finish this up. That salmon was so bomb, y'all. But let's get to it. So when I work out, I normally wear my hair like in these 2 twists, or normally a scoop ball. But I try to put like a leave-in in my hair when I'm working out, and this does the job. So I actually need to wash my hair. So of course I'm going to use my hair and scalp cleanser oil on my scalp. I'm gonna leave it on there for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse it out, wash it, blow dry it, and then prep it for my extensions. Of course, I got so excited when she gave me the hair that I did not take a picture of it before. But yes, so this, I don't think y'all understand. This color is so bomb, and I've changed my hair color so many times. I think she said one of the lengths that she gave me was probably 18, but I feel like it's 20 to be honest. So pretty much I lifted the hair. I put Olaplex in there just because I still wanted to keep the curl pattern or the integrity of the hair in here. So I put Olaplex 1, and I used a lightener, a lightener, and I left that on, and it distributed evenly throughout the whole head. And then I bought the Adore, the Orange Blaze, and Truly Red, and I mixed those together. So mixing those together, and literally I left this on all night. I went out and I came back the next morning, and this is what she was giving. And when I tell you, I cannot wait to make these. And also to mention that normally I would want to get a sew-in, but because I'm trying to also take care of my scalp as well, as long as everybody else, I thought it was necessary, or it would be a better option, to create clip-ins, so that way I have the flexibility to get to my scalp and also be able to take it on and off whenever I want to, just to have that freedom, and not having to be tied to a sew-in for a month or two. So yeah, so this is the hair, Nikki Baby hair, and this is just 2 bundles, by the way, and it comes with this cute hanger. So this was easy for me to air dry overnight. So I used a Denman brush. I put some Amika soul food on here. I left that in for about 15 minutes, and then I rinsed it out, but not all the way out. I just rinsed it so the water was still a little cloudy, so at least it had a little bit of the conditioner on it, because the Amika acts as a leave-in and a deep conditioner as well. So that's the plus about buying Amika. Even though I believe it's like between $24 and $29, it's worth it. So yeah, so let's get started.